Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fade out audio in DaVinci Resolve. This is a simple yet essential technique that helps you create smooth professional transitions in your video projects, preventing abrupt audio cuts that can jar your audience. Let's start by opening your DaVinci Resolve app. Once it launches, you'll be greeted by your project interface where all your editing magic happens. Make sure you have your timeline visible with the audio track you want to work on already imported and placed on the timeline. Now direct your attention to the audio clip you want to fade out. Click directly on this audio clip to select it. When you do this, you'll notice the clip becomes highlighted, indicating that it's now active and ready for editing. This selection is crucial because it tells DaVinci Resolve which specific audio element you want to modify. Here's where the actual fade-out effect comes into play. Take a close look at the top right corner of your selected audio clip. You'll see a small white icon positioned right there. This icon is your fade handle, and it's the key to creating that smooth audio transition. Simply click on this white icon and drag it towards the left side of the clip. As you drag, you're essentially telling the software how long you want the fade-out effect to last. The further left you drag, the longer and more gradual the fade will be. As you perform this action, pay attention to what happens visually on your timeline. You'll notice that the upper part of the audio waveform begins to change color, turning gray or black. This visual change is your confirmation that the fade-out effect has been successfully applied. The darkened area represents the portion of your audio that will gradually decrease in volume until it reaches complete silence. This gradient effect ensures your audio doesn't just stop suddenly, but instead gently trails off, creating a much more polished and professional sound. And that's it. You've successfully added a fade-out effect to your audio in DaVinci Resolve. This simple technique can dramatically improve the quality of your video projects by ensuring smooth audio transitions throughout your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.